Are you struggling with dull skin, uneven tone, or stubborn dark spots? Millions of people spend hundreds of dollars on synthetic skincare products, yet the secret to naturally glowing skin has been used in Ayurveda for thousands of years. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about an ancient miracle herb known as Gotu Kola, or Centella Asiatica. In the modern skincare world, you might know it as Cica, the powerhouse ingredient found in top-tier Korean beauty products. But today, I'm going to show you how to use this powerful botanical naturally at home for radiant, clear, and hydrated skin. Let's break this down into two simple steps: external application and internal detoxification. First, let's talk about a deeply hydrating face mask you can prepare in under 2 minutes. Take 10 to 12 fresh Gotu Kola leaves, wash them thoroughly, and grind them into a smooth paste. Add 1 teaspoon of raw milk and a pinch of organic turmeric or raw honey. Mix it until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Apply this paste evenly over your face and neck and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Why does this work? Gotu Kola boosts skin repair and reduces hyperpigmentation. Combined with raw milk, which contains natural lactic acid, it gently exfoliates, while turmeric acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Used twice a week, this mask locks in moisture and brings out a natural, healthy glow. Now, let's address the root cause of dull skin. Ayurveda teaches that glowing skin starts from within, specifically through blood purification. Every morning, on an empty stomach, chew 4 to 5 fresh, thoroughly washed Gotu Kola leaves. Alternatively, you can extract 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh juice and mix it with a drop of organic raw honey. Consuming this herb daily helps flush out toxins from your bloodstream. More importantly, scientific studies show that Centella Asiatica stimulates collagen production, improving skin elasticity and slowing down early signs of aging. Before you try the face mask, here is an important safety tip. Always perform a quick patch test on the inside of your elbow first to ensure your skin has no allergic reaction. Nature already gave us everything we need for healthy skin. Try incorporating Gotu Kola into your daily routine and see the difference for yourself. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below with your favorite natural skincare ingredients. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.